Welcome to USA Cars Lover, your trusted source for real-world car reviews and auto insights straight from the streets. Today, we're checking out the 2026 Mazda Uch, a compact sedan that blends luxury, performance, and sleek design like few others in its class. From the front, the Mazda 3 stuns with its bold grille, slimmer LED headlights, and a reshaped bumper that adds a sporty, planted look. Mazda's signature Kodo design language really shines here. Elegant yet aggressive. The side profile is clean and modern, with subtle curves and available 19 alloy wheels that elevate the style. Around back, the LED taillights get a new ring-style glow, while dual exhausts and a reworked diffuser complete the sporty yet refined look. Inside, it's surprisingly premium. Soft-touch materials, stitched details, and available leather and wood trims create an upscale vibe. The updated 10.25 display now supports wireless, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while the digital cluster adapts based on drive mode, heated and ventilated seats, a quieter cabin, and a driver-focused layout make this feel more like a luxury sedan than a compact car. Under the hood, you've got two options: 2.5 engine with 191 horsepower, or a turbocharged version with up to 250 HP and 320 lb-ft of torque. Quick, responsive, and smooth available all-wheel drive adds confidence in all weather, and fuel economy still reaches up to 37 mpg. Highway standard safety. Tech includes adaptive cruise, emergency braking, lane assist, and more. Higher trims add a 360-degree camera and traffic jam assist for semi-autonomous driving in traffic. Starting at around $24,000 and topping out near $36K, the 2026 Mazda Uch is one of the best all-around values in its class. If you're looking for something stylish, fun to drive, and packed with features, the 2026 Mazda 3 deserves a test drive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon right here on USA. Cars Lover, tell us in the comments, would you take the Mazda 3 over the Civic or Corolla? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.